Three Nights, 4 Days is a film about friends. This character, Rocky, that's played by me. Rocky invites his friends after a gap of 5 years. I mean, they finished college in Pune, they've all passed out and they're living their lives. So Rocky's getting married in Goa and he calls his friends over to Goa and gives them a 3 nights, 4 days package. So the film is all about that.
I think I was in India for maybe 2 months already, and when I read the script and when the guys told me about the movie, it's something new, so then it's always something challenging to do something new. And also, we was doing it in Goa and I have never been in Goa, so I was like, oh, let's go to Goa and shoot a movie. It was a big thing, and the role is wonderful, very similar to who I am, so I think it was very easy, and I was like, nobody else can do this role but me, that's why
The title is selected because these guys from college, they are having a reunion after 4 or 5 years. और रॉकी करके इनका जो दोस्त है उसकी शादी हो रही है गोवा के अंदर, and that is why they're getting together after college. So the trip is for 3 nights and 4 days is why the title of the film. Why the film is going to strike a chord with the audiences is because ये जो सारे characters हैं, they're very believable. जिस तरह मेरा जो character है राहुल का, he's a guy who's basically a very introvertish, very shy kind of a character in college, and he's in love with Antara, the character played by Harshita Bhatt. और ये कॉलेज के अंदर बिकॉज इतना शाई है, he's never been able to really confess his love to the girl. And you know how after 5 years he's become a very successful stockbroker, he's become a Casanova, he's written about in page 3 papers, he's a very known personality. So जब ये दोस्त उसको मिलते हैं 5 साल बाद, they ask him कि राहुल, how come this sea change in the personality that is you? और it is a character which everybody is going to relate to, because 5 साल बाद भी राहुल यही realize करता है कि he still can't confess his love to Antara. वो आज भी उतना ही shy है और आज भी वो उतना ही nervous है जब उससे बात करता है तो.
Mine is of Amay. He in the film is an actor who has been a superstar, and he's not anymore. But so he's an alcoholic, but he's a happy alcoholic. He's not a sad alcoholic. He's not a Devdas alcoholic. But he's an out of work actor basically. But he still likes to think that he's still a superstar, and I actually liked his character better.
Yeah, my character is, I'm the one who introduces him to the higher part side of life when he comes to Goa, because I am a person who stays in Goa, and I take him around pubs and nightclubs and introduce him to the nightlife.
He's the one who gets me higher.
The reason being, today's generation, the youngsters are exposed to immense kind of music, world music, and they're listening to all kinds of music on YouTube and going on the internet and surfing and coming. So what happens is that it gets exciting for a composer for making a song for this generation. If you see, I have definitely made an attempt where it doesn't sound like somebody else's music. What happens is that one type of music that starts getting successful, then all the other Bollywood composers starts producing songs like that. So I have made an effort where my stamp is there in terms of its melody. The only thing is the sound designing, which Amal has done, has got its freshness. It's connected with the youth, and we have done a lot of research in the sense that we have not tried to make a normal arranged score. We are trying to create music which will definitely make the youngsters look up to the song and think, yeah, this is the sound, because they play the songs in their cars, they want to play it on good music systems, they want to play it on the comp. So the bass design, the thump in the song, the orchestration, the interludes of the music are something which the youngsters can relate.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.